For many high school graduates, college isn't their destination. KCAL's Rena Nakano shows us how a welding class is not only restoring hope to students who once gave up on graduating, but also opening up a career path.
Sparks fly not only when you're in love, but when you find your passion.
It's cool, miss, because we're going to learn a lot.
He's a well-mannered 17-year-old who addresses people as Miss and Mister.
Thank you.
Welcome.
But Randy Luna admits he wasn't always like this.
Oh, my brother died instantly, miss.
When he was in 7th grade, his brother Ronnie Luna was killed in a mini bike accident at 22. He left behind a young son who Randy now helps raise. The tragedy meant he lost his mentor.
He was the older brother that would get on me. He'll be next to me doing my homework, helping me.
In 6th grade, he was a model student, but after his brother's death, Luna gave up on graduating.
Last year, I had no hope.
Until he enrolled in Vista High School in the fall, the continuation program at Lynwood Unified School District. Word of an off-campus class sparked his interest.
Welding is joining materials by pressure or by heat.
Pamela Richardson is the welding professor at Compton College. A few years ago, she began offering her program to Vista High School students to not only get high school credit, but also college credit and become trade certified.
They could take the license they get from here and go to Timbuktu if they wanted to and work. Same credentials.
The American Welding Society predicts a shortage of about 360,000 welders by 2027. With more than half of the world's man-made products requiring welding, it's a well-paying, high-demand job.
Everything is welded together, so I feel like it's a really important thing to learn.
Luna says every lesson here is fascinating. Since starting the program, he's regained his motivation. He's now passing all his classes and is on track to graduate.
Sometimes we need to be in a different environment to see how great we are. And this welding program provides our students a unique opportunity to learn something different and get some hands-on experiences.
Luna tells me if his brother can see him now, he'd be so proud of him.
He fights back tears.
To do it for my nephew and that he's seen change in me, miss. I feel like that's one thing he'll tell me.
Each spark a message from his brother, reminding him to never give up. In Compton, I'm Rena Nakano, KCAL News.